What's going on, everybody? So today in this video, what I'm going to be going through is how to troubleshoot and fix your invalid size error in your Airtable interfaces. This is a common issue we see after we publish an interface. We go back and make changes to the base, and then this issue pops up. If you haven't met me before, my name is Ben Green. I'm the owner of OptimizeIS. We help businesses solve problems just like this on an ongoing basis all the time. So we're going to jump into it, but if you are interested in getting help with anything like this, you can go down in the description and request a free consultation from us. So jumping into the Airtable base, this is probably what you're seeing in here. And there's a few ways to fix this. One is if you just change something and you know this field used to be a different way, like this assigned users field used to be, in this example, a linked record field, then you can switch it back. So in Airtable, if you are in the interface, you can click up here on the name of your interface or the name of your base and click edit. So that's actually the name of your base up there. You can click into whichever detail page that you saw that on, click on the element, and one way we should be able to fix this is if I revert back the change. So I know this used to be a linked record field to users. So if you go into that editor mode, click on the field, and then click edit field, you can change this back to a linked record to users. So that should solve this. That fixed it. Now the other way to fix it, if you meant to do that change, so I had changed it to a multi-select and it looked like this. So the other way to fix this is to just click on the field and either hit the delete key, or you should be able to come up here and click these three little dots, click delete, and then now we just add that back. So now we go back and add the users field. You can click on it and make it editable, and that's that. So hopefully this was useful. Throw a comment down in the comment section if this solved your question, or if you're seeing other errors, feel free to add a comment down below. Hope this helps. I'll see you in the next one.